apt-get update and apt-get upgrade commands are mainly used in Debian-based systems for package updates. Despite their similar names, they possess subtle differences, which I will delve in today's video. You can find the article and all the commands mentioned here in the video description. So let's get started. First, let's dive into apt-get update. When you run apt-get update, it downloads the latest information about available packages from source files and ensures that you have the most up-to-date package index files. This step guarantees that you have the latest information available to upgrade a package to its newest version. Now let's talk about apt-get upgrade. When you execute apt-get upgrade, it automatically downloads the latest versions of the installed packages and replaces the old ones with the new versions. If you're looking for extra features and the most modern version of a software package, running apt-get upgrade is the way to go. Now let's look at the key differences between these two commands. The main purpose of apt-get update is to update the package information, and it downloads data from the source file. Unfortunately, it cannot download the actual packages and doesn't perform any changes to the packages installed on your system. On the other hand, apt-get upgrade replaces the old packages with the latest versions, but it cannot remove the old packages from your system, which may lead to some clutter over time. Another drawback is that it cannot install new packages that are not part of the system repository. This means you won't be able to add new software using this command. Now it's time to see how we can use these commands. Let's start with opening the terminal and type in the first command. Enter the user password, hit enter, and you will have all the latest package information ready to go. Now moving on to apt-get upgrade. Type this command in your terminal. After you enter your password and press enter, the upgrading process will begin. Confirm by typing Y and hit enter. This table shows the various options you can use with apt-get upgrade command. However, Y and S or dry run are the most frequently used. Let's take a closer look at these two. At first, enter this command. The option Y at the end will automatically grant permission to any confirmation during the upgrading process. Next, execute the dry run or S option with this command. The S option here tells the command to mimic or simulate the upgrading process without actually performing it. That means you can see the expected outcomes that you would get during an upgrade without making any system changes. And that's all for today. apt-get update and apt-get upgrade are both crucial commands, but they serve different purposes. Understanding when and how to use them can be a game changer for your Linux experience.